My guaranteed to start Toro 22 inches recycler mower won't start. It was hard to start a couple of weeks ago, but I tried a few times, then let it sit and went back to it and it started. This time, same thing, but won't start at all. I've had it exactly a year and have used it maybe 6 or 7 times. Guaranteed to start. I'm a 64-year-old woman. Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I would get a new spark plug and see if that will let it start. Plugs get deposits on them and can make any engine hard to start. And plugs should be changed at start of every season. Can you replace the spark plug? Scroll up to view.
Never have done it. Doesn't it have to have a certain gap? I don't have a tool for that. What about the claim guarantee to start?
You can take it to a dealer for repair. But spark plug will be a maintenance item and expect them to charge you for it.
Would such a new mower have a bad plug already, or could it be something else?
For it not to start, it has no spark or no fuel to the cylinder. Spark plug is more likely problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.